In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change title formats for SEO and browser tabs in Squarespace 7.1. To begin, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you are inside your site, look to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you will find the main settings and site controls. From here, click Settings to open the broader configuration options for your website. Next, go into Marketing and then select SEO Appearance. This area is important because it controls how your site titles are structured for search engines and for browser tabs. In other words, this is where you can define how page titles are displayed across different parts of your site. Adjusting these formats helps keep your branding consistent and can also make your pages clearer when they appear in search results. Inside SEO Appearance, you will see different title format categories. The first one is Home. This controls the layout and text structure used for your main homepage, which is the root page of your website. If you want your homepage title to follow a specific pattern for branding or search visibility, this is the section that manages it. You will also see Pages. This controls the title format for your standard individual content pages. These are the regular pages on your website, and this setting helps determine how their titles are built when shown in search results or in browser tabs. Keeping this format clean and readable can make your site look more professional. Another option is Items. This controls deeper collection items, such as content that lives inside collections. Depending on how your site is organized, this can apply to pieces of content that are nested within larger sections. This setting gives you more control over how those titles are presented across the site. After reviewing or updating the title formats in these sections, make sure to click Save in the top left corner of the sidebar module. This final step applies your changes site-wide, so your updated title format settings take effect across the relevant pages and content areas. When making these changes, it is a good idea to double-check that your title formats are easy to read and aligned with your site name or brand. Clear title formatting can improve both usability and search presentation. That covers everything you need to know.